Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new adventures. Take a look at this 2024 Jeep Wrangler two-door Willys in black clear coat. With adaptive cruise control, off-road plus mode, 17-inch aluminum wheels, black 3-piece hardtop, tow package, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 9,000 miles on the odometer, 12.3-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, command track part-time four-wheel drive system, remote start system, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com. Stock number 105638.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.